Design patterns in Java, Singleton and factor method design patterns. Design patterns are proven solutions to common problems that developers face in software development. They are reusable solutions that help developers to solve common software problems and improve the design of their applications. In this video, we will discuss Singleton and factor method design patterns in Java and provide code examples and explanations for each of them. The Singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. This pattern is commonly used when you need to restrict the instantiation of a class to a single object. In this example, we have a class called Singleton with a private constructor to prevent direct instantiation. The getInstance method is used to get the instance of the Singleton class. It checks if the instance is null, and if it is, it creates a new instance. Subsequent calls to getInstance will return the existing instance. The factor method pattern provides an interface for creating objects without specifying their concrete classes. It encapsulates the object creation logic and allows the client to create objects based on a common interface. In this example, we have an interface called shape that defines the draw method. We have two concrete classes, circle and square, which implement the shape interface. The shape factory class is responsible for creating objects based on the given type. The createShape method takes a type parameter and returns the appropriate shape object based on the type. These are just two examples of popular design patterns in Java. Design patterns provide proven solutions to common design problems, and understanding and applying them can greatly improve the quality and maintainability of your code. By leveraging these patterns, you can write cleaner and modular and reusable code.